very light for the weight it has, and definitely it's good. It's powerful for the weight, and definitely it's nice to drive it because it's very light, and definitely it's as well very sportive. You know, very easy to drive with. You can feel on the corners that the car is very consistent, and it's quite stiff as well, and it gives you this feeling of driving a sports car. You know, it's really good. That's what I think SEAT makes the difference with other cars, that you can feel the comfort, but as well the sportive side of the car. We are in my studio in Barcelona, and it's very special for me because this is the place where I make the music, where I, listen to all the tracks and obviously produce them and mix them. And it's very special for me because I spend a lot of time in here. It's one of those places where I spend most time, obviously enjoying music and producing a lot.